Hello everyone. Did you know what is that one part of business and its security, if not complied with, can cost you thousands of dollars? Yes, I am talking about regular security audits. Watch this entire video to know how you can save your money and make sure your business run to its best capacity. First, and the best advantage of having regular security audits is that it helps you identify the gap within your system. If you have regular security audits, you can know about the weak spot in your security system. You might know about the black spots which you weren't even aware of that your security camera system has. Hence, a regular security audit can help you identify these things. Ensure compliance. The second and the most biggest advantage of regular security audits is that they ensure that your company, complies with the regular industry standard and its regulation, helping you avoid potential fine and legal issues. Improve protocols. These audits give you a chance to improve your security protocols, highlighting the areas of enhancement, making sure that your security defense is always up to date. Prevent costly breaches. By having regular security audits, you can prevent costly security breaches that could have potentially damaged your business financially and reputationally. One of the examples is cybercrime attack. Did you know there is a cybercrime victim every 37 seconds? You do not want to be one of those. Hence, a regular security audit can help you identify the gaps within your system. The final and the last step. The final and the last step is to have these security audits as a part of your business routine. I repeat, do not wait for an incident to occur. Schedule your security audit today and keep your business safe. Hello everyone. If you want to know more about regular security audits and how it should be actually done on the ground, consult with Colossal Security and we shall definitely help you in keeping your business and your money safe.